Hey everybody, this is Shabazz Khan and you're watching Curious Me. Thank you for tuning into this channel, and in this video I'm going to guide you through the process of installing and configuring Angular 2 using Visual Studio Code. Okay, Visual Studio Code. So without wasting any time, let's just start. So first of all, you'll need to go to this website https://node.js.org/english/ and download this version recommended for most users, so you can download it and install it. Installing is very simple. Click next, check I agree, then next, it will install. Okay, and then go to, instead of going there, you can directly come here, github.com/angular/quickstart, and just download this file. Okay, so it will be downloaded as a zip file format, and I have already extracted all the contents of this file, and this is all the contents of this file. Okay, and after doing that, in first of all, you'll have to install Node, this version. Then you go and download this right here. Okay, so after doing all these things, just open this website, github.com/flexireisberg npm/. Go to this website. Okay, and from there, don't do anything, just concentrate on these three things right here. Okay, so just open your PowerShell as an administrator. So after opening PowerShell, it is very simple to update your node. Just copy this, Control C, right click here, enter. Then come here, copy this, Control C, right click here, enter. It will do something. Then get ready with this one. Next thing. Okay, it's done. Then I'll give it a command. I will just upgrade my npm. So it will say that the current version is 3.1.0, but I don't want that because I think the current version is, I guess, 3.10 or 4, I guess. So it will, any moment now, it will give me the yes. These are all the version. So you can glide up and down using up and down keys. So I'll install 4 because 4 is the latest one. I'll just click enter, and what it will do is it will just install the, I mean, upgrade the npm. Okay, so this is all that you have to do. I think we are all set. One more thing and we are all done, and that thing is yeah, I'll tell you. It's very simple. uh, See, the reason why we are installing npm on node package manager is, uh, while it does its thing, we'll just talk about this. So in this entire setup, there is one little baby here. Yeah, package.json. So it is in JSON format. And what it does is, see, I use Notepad++ because that's my habit. So see, you can see the name, version, scripts, keyword, author, dependencies. So what it will do is it will simply download all these stuffs, set all these stuffs, and the license, it's not important right now because we are developers, right? So you can, it will tell that download this version of forms, this version of HTTP, and all those things. Bootstrap, System.js, Core.js. So these System.js, Core.js, these are very important files. Just don't go right now. Don't go deep into it. So remember, I was talking to you about TypeScript. So Angular 2 uses TypeScript, and you need the latest stable version of TypeScript. So that is 2.0.3. So which will be installed. Okay, because no. These are all dev dependencies. Okay, so light server is 2.2.0. So these two things right now you have to concentrate, because what light server does, every time you press Control S, it will automatically detect that you have saved your current changes, and it will automatically refresh the content on the web browser which you are currently browsing that website on. Don't waste your time on that. I think we have done. Yep, we are done. So let's see. All these things are done. I guess now it's time to actually configure our, just create a new folder and name it Angular 2. I'm just gonna name it Angular 2. So what I need is, I need this for the starting. I need tsconfig. I need styles. I need the readme, because it might help you. Who knows what is my problem. You also need one more thing. It is systemjs.config, and I'll tell you what this is. You don't have to worry about it. Index, and where is that little fella? Package config. That's all you need right now. Control C and just paste it in Angular V. Control V. Okay. Remember I told you one more thing. There's a very nice browser, I guess. Just download it. I mean, sorry, browser. I'm saying editor. Some Indian fella. Visual Studio Code. Just download this. It's a very beautiful editor. Even though I'm a Node, I mean Sublime and Notepad++ fan, this has completely won me over. It's a beautiful piece of software. It's a very awesome editor. Just download it, install it. I have already installed it and I'm gonna open it right now. And it's free, open source. Yeah, baby, it's free. So guys, this is my folder. I mean, sorry, this is my Visual Studio. And here you'll get an option of open folder. So what you'll do, you'll just go to a desktop where you have saved your Angular 2. Remember, I've created this folder, then click on it and then select folder. And the moment you'll do that, you'll find that there are some index.html packages on readme, the files we have copied and pasted right here. Okay, so all these things are here. So what you need to do is right now go to view, and then you can just simply integrate a terminal. Okay, then I'm gonna say npm start. It will not do anything because I haven't install. My bad. That was a command which you'll use later. Right now, just enter npm install. So what it will do is, it will remember there was a package.json. All the package that you need is already configured and it is inside that package.json file. Okay, so what this node package manager is doing, it is reading that package.json and going to the website, its website, and fetching all those things which is present there. Okay, everything. Okay, so I'll just let it download, and when it is done, I'll just come back to you. So it's done, and once it is done, you will see these things right here on your command prompt. I mean integrated terminal, which is in this Visual Studio, and which is a very very great thing, and it makes it so much easier, and I love this. So whatever, all these things should be there. This means that the installation is successful, even though there are many warnings. I don't care. So you'll see once you're done, you'll just refresh. Even though if you don't refresh, you will see this extra folder here, and in this you will see all these files and folders which were not there, which has been installed by your this npm. Okay, so that is done. I think they have, yeah, initially in 2.0.0 there were two folders that used to get means that were created by npm. One was node modules, other was typings, but I think they have integrated this Angular and the types. Yeah, and Jasmine, all those were inside typing, so don't worry about it. That's it, done. Now the next command is npm start. So what this will do is, what we have done is, we have the light server now, we have the TypeScript now, we have both those things. Now what npm start will do, it will start the TypeScript compiler. Okay, so what the TypeScript compiler will do, it will run on watch mode, and it will watch for any changes done on this folder. Okay, done inside this folder. So the moment you press hit Control Shift, it will detect it, and automatically it will compile the data, and it will also refresh the browser. Okay, getting my point? So it is very simple. So just press npm start, just type npm start and hit enter, and see, you'll see tsc TypeScript compiler, run TypeScript compiler, and concurrently run TypeScript compiler on watch mode, and also run light server. This is what it means. Okay, allow access, done. So here you go guys, my first Angular app which is being displayed. Okay, so that's it guys, your Angular 2 is up and running, everything is fine. Means give you a glimpse how awesome this browser is. I mean, this little piece of editor here is. See, just let me do it like this. So let's go to app component.typescript. This is beautiful. My God, I love it. This is what the new TypeScript is. It has simplified the writing of JavaScript, and it is just so beautiful. It is such an important achievement. I love it. So just change this to hello world and save it. See what it does. File change detected, starting blah blah blah, and all those blah blah blah, and the changes it reflected. You just have to press Control Enter. So you can do anything, just press Enter, and even if you do an error, let's see, I have done an error, and then Control Shift, file change detected, starting and blah 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 blah, and all those things, and it is not loading. Why is it not loading? Because I have changed the selector name. Just go to index.html and do here S, and then do here S, then control save. I think it will do the trick. Yes, it did the trick, and that's it guys, you are done, configured. Thank you for watching this video. Please like my channel, subscribe, and I'll do all I can to teach you all that I know. Thank you guys, it's awesome. Haha.